Hi everyone, it's Vanessa Allen from IELTS Prep. I hope you're all doing great today. I have a tip about two words that are often confused, and those words are specially and especially. Now, when it comes to speaking, native speakers, we're speaking fast. Sometimes it sounds like we're saying specially when we're actually saying especially, but we can understand the difference based on the context. Of course, if we're speaking in a formal way, then our especially is going to be much clearer. When it comes to writing, though, there is a difference. There's a slight difference between the two words. When we use especially with an E, it's another way of saying particularly or in particular or most of all. I'll give you an example. I like watching sports, especially tennis. I like watching sports, particularly tennis. I'm saying a specific thing. I like watching sports, most of all tennis. So I'm saying something in particular, something special. Another example, pollution may reduce, especially if people recycle more. Okay, so particularly if people recycle more. Now, the way that we use specially without the E is to say that something has been made for a special purpose or a particular reason. For example, my father bought a new suit specially for my wedding. He didn't buy it for any other purpose. He didn't buy it to wear at any other time. He only bought it specially for that particular purpose, for that special purpose of my marriage. Okay, so my father bought a new suit specially for my wedding. Another example, toys are specially designed for children of different ages. So they're specially designed based on the age of the child. Okay, so specially for a specific purpose or a specific reason or a special purpose, and especially for something in particular. I hope that helps. See you next time.